This recipe takes few ingredients. It's really easy and it's really good. Let me show you how I do it. So I start off with some pork meat, and I like to use ribs because they have bone in and it gives it so much more flavor. I also use garlic, Roma tomatoes, jalapenos, salt and pepper, tomatillos, and these pre-cut nopales or cactus. Okay, I let this pan preheat and I let it get really hot, and then I peeled my tomatillos, washed everything, and added it so that it can toast. Okay, so you see how there's two bones right here? I'm just gonna cut in between them. Cut them as big or as small as you want. Okay, once one side is toasted, you're gonna want to flip them until every side is nice and black. Okay, I let my pan get really hot. I add about a teaspoon of oil, add the meat, add some salt and pepper to your liking. So I added a little bit of water, put a lid on it, put it on low, and let it go until it looked like this. After a while, this is what your meat will look like. It's going to start releasing its own fat, and that's exactly what you want to see. And you're going to fry them for a while, at least until the edges get nice and crunchy. You see that color? That's what you want. And once that happens, you can totally remove the grease. I don't, because I feel like it gives it more flavor, but you totally can. It's up to you. Once your meat is nice and brown and crunchy, you will add your nopales. And don't worry about this gooey consistency. I assure you, once everything's done cooking, it will disappear. Okay, I'm gonna blend the chilies with the tomatoes first. Once you blend it, you're gonna check it. If it's too spicy, take some out. If not, just leave it. Mine was perfect, so I just added my garlic and my tomatillos, and I'm gonna leave it a little chunky because I like it like that. And then you're gonna add it to the nopales and the pork meat. Bring this all to a boil. After that, you're going to cover it and let it go for about 30 minutes on low or medium low. And you see how the cactus changed color? That's exactly what you want. That tells you it's done. There's no gooey consistency. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.